Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to our troubleshooting guide for DTC B12E0, which stands for Electric Steering Lock Switch Internal Error, specifically pertaining to the 2023 Honda Accord. This error indicates that the body control module, responsible for overseeing various electrical components in the vehicle, has detected an internal failure signal from the electric steering lock. When this happens, the body control module identifies an abnormality and stores the diagnostic trouble code, DTC, for further inspection. The electric steering lock itself is crucial for vehicle safety, as it secures the steering column and prevents unauthorized use of the vehicle. Understanding the roles of the body control module and the electric steering lock is essential in diagnosing and rectifying the issue. In the following slides, we will explore detailed descriptions of the error, potential causes, symptoms, and a step-by-step troubleshooting guide. DTC B12E0 indicates an internal error within the electric steering lock switch, prompting the body control module to flag this abnormality. The body control module serves as the central unit for monitoring and controlling various systems, including the electric steering lock. Its location is typically housed near the steering column, where it integrates closely with other components. The electric steering lock is essential for ensuring that the steering wheel remains secured when the vehicle is off, preventing unauthorized access. When the body control module detects a malfunction signal from the electric steering lock, it circumvents the normal operation. As a response, it logs the DTC to help technicians understand and isolate the problem during maintenance or repair. The possible causes of DTC B12E0 primarily revolve around the electric steering lock and its integration with the body control module. Firstly, a faulty electric steering lock can trigger this DTC, often resulting from wear and tear or manufacturing defects. It's vital to assess whether the electric steering lock is functioning as intended, as it plays a key role in vehicle security. Additionally, issues within the body control module itself could also lead to miscommunication or failure alerts regarding the electric steering lock. Furthermore, poor or damaged electrical connections can exacerbate the situation, leading to intermittent signals and triggering this DTC. Each of these potential causes must be examined thoroughly to determine the root of the malfunction. DTC B12E0 may manifest through several noticeable symptoms, impacting the vehicle's overall functionality. One prominent symptom is the unexpected locking of the steering wheel, which can pose safety risks if it occurs while driving. Additionally, dashboard indicator lights may illuminate, providing visual alerts to the driver regarding the issue. Furthermore, a lack of response from the ignition switch can occur, leaving the driver unable to start the vehicle and rendering it inoperable. Collectively, these symptoms elevate the urgency of addressing the issue, as they not only affect daily usability, but also raise safety concerns. It's crucial for technicians to recognize these signs early to implement timely solutions. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B12E0 involves a confirmation procedure aimed at resetting the system. This step requires the technician to cycle the vehicle through different ignition modes: off, lock, accessory, and on. Importantly, this sequence needs to be repeated a total of 10 times to ensure adequate system reset and observe whether the DTC may clear during the process. This resetting action serves to refresh communication between various modules, potentially resolving transient errors. After performing this verification step, it's crucial to check if the DTC has been cleared from the system. A successful reset may indicate that the error was temporary, while an inability to clear would suggest that further diagnostic steps are necessary. The second troubleshooting step focuses on a detailed inspection of the electric steering lock. which plays a pivotal role in the DTC B12E0 error. Technicians should meticulously check the steering lock for any visible signs of damage or wear, as such issues can lead to malfunctioning scenarios. This includes examining the lock mechanism, electrical connections, and any housing that may impede its function. If any defects are identified during the inspection, replacing the electric steering lock becomes necessary to restore proper operation. In cases where wear is present but not severe, ensuring connections are secure may suffice. However, if functionality remains compromised post-inspection, proceed with the full replacement. Final verification after conducting repairs for DTC B12E0 is crucial to ensure the issue has been successfully resolved. Post-repair, technicians should put the vehicle through comprehensive tests to confirm that all systems related to the electric steering lock are functioning properly. A key component of this verification process is to check if any DTCs reappear, which would indicate persisting issues even after replacement. Additionally, it is important to verify that all other systems, particularly those monitored by the body control module, are operating as intended. An operational vehicle ensures driver safety, instilling confidence in the repairs conducted. Final checks are also a means to provide assurance to customers regarding the reliability of the work performed. To prevent the recurrence of DTC B12E0 and maintain the vehicle's functionality, establishing a routine for preventive maintenance is essential. Regular inspections of the electric steering lock should become a part of periodic maintenance checks to identify any early signs of wear or malfunction. Additionally, closely monitoring electrical connections can prevent issues related to poor contact, which is often a major culprit in DTC occurrences. Worn components should be flagged and replaced promptly to maintain overall system integrity. Adopting proactive measures ensures that critical systems, such as the steering lock, operate reliably, contributing to the vehicle's safety and longevity. Emphasizing preventive maintenance not only aids in avoiding unexpected repair costs, but also enhances overall driving experience. In conclusion, understanding the implications of DTC B12E0 is essential for effective troubleshooting and rectification. The steps outlined provide a comprehensive guide, starting from a basic reset procedure to replacing compromised components. Recognizing that both the electric steering lock and body control module play critical roles helps technicians diagnose issues more effectively. It is vital to follow through with the inspection and repair methodology, ensuring that no lingering problems persist after repairs are made. Ultimately, restoring vehicle safety is the top priority, with clear documentation and assurance to the vehicle owner on the resolution of their concerns. Following the guidance provided here will lead to an efficient troubleshooting process and a successful reestablishment of the vehicle's functionality. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.